Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about Atcoder Beginner Contest 409 Problem D. Okay, so the problem is called string rotation. So we're given a string and later we can choose a contiguous substring of S with the length at least 1 and cyclically shift it to the left by 1. So let's see in this example. So we have Atcoder as a string and we have this. So we can shift this to the front and then later we can put T to the back. Okay, so the idea for this problem is very simple. Let me just try to write first. Okay, so it's up here. Okay, so the idea is very simple. You can simply just find the earliest point where Si is less than Si minus 1. Okay, and then later we can simply just find the earliest point where the S I minus 1 is more, sorry, it's less than Sj. So Sj. Okay, let me just erase this. So basically we just need to find like these two and I'll show you in the implementation. It's a rather simple problem, but the the hardest part for it is actually the implementation. Okay, so we have this, so we find the earliest one, so we simply add first like the characters before and then we add the si. Okay, so let's say, okay, let's mark the font. Okay, font should be any, font can be any position before or like at I, so it's less than or equal to I. Okay, so we move on from I plus 1 to n, so we simply just brute force. Then if we find like the point where a character is simply much bigger, like in terms of like value than the s minus 1, then we at s minus 1, then we break. Okay, if we find, if we, okay, sorry, if we cannot find, then we simply just put the I minus 1 into the back of the string, else we simply push the rest of the characters in the string. Then we print answer, then we return. Else, if we can do nothing, then we just simply print the original string. Okay, so I think that's all for this problem. It's a rather simple problem. So thank you for watching. And I'll see you in another video that discuss this problem also.